Let's explore this a little bit more so as to make it clear what is the scope of the information you have. Okay, the portfolio has a portfolio episode with many things that you already know. Okay, probably not of all of them are working in version 1, but they will eventually. Okay, so it has the same concept. It has the exchange manage asset that come from the list that I already explained, that is going to have, or it already have implemented the fetching of balances from exchanges. Okay, so this is information you can use. But it also have this branch that is manage trading bots. Okay, in this branch you have for every bot that you are being managed, okay, you will have the manage bot trading engine. Okay, that means that you will have all the exchange orders, all the information that is available at the trading engine of each of the bots, including all the episode information with all the statistics and whatever information is inside this. You will have information about the current strategy being run, about the current position that has been taken, okay, and about the different stages that the trading bot is executing. Okay, also information about the last things that it was doing, the last position strategy, and in a nutshell, all the information of a trading engine. Okay, and you have this information for every single trading bot that is you are operating. Okay, so in the current version of this portfolio engine, I have only added 2 nodes. In the future, I'm going to make it like more complete with probably 10 of these and 10 of this. But if you need more because you're going to be managing 100 bots, then you just add these branches, you clone them and you add it here, and you can have your own version of the portfolio engine with as many managed bot or managed assets that you need. Okay, because at runtime this information is going to be populated with the actual values of the trading engine of all these managed trading bots.